Introducing the new Rubbermaid 7x7 shed that offers easier assembly, enhanced usability, and improved performance. The new 7x7 is the revolutionary solution for backyard storage that will look great now and for years to come, and can be assembled with fewer parts and components. Clearly defined attachment points and audible snap-in-place wall panels, the installation process is simple and intuitive. Performance is also essential. The metal reinforced wall panels and doors resist warping and improve strength. Increased ventilation encourages airflow through the interior of the shed, and the refreshed design has clean lines and a seamless look to blend into most backyards. The lofted windows and extra-wide doors offer superior usability and add to the aesthetic appeal. The new Rubbermaid 7x7 storage shed delivers an easy-to-assemble solution for backyard storage.